In this video, we improve our virtual machine performance, doubling the maximum graphics memory available in VirtualBox. Hello everyone, and welcome to TechFixFlix. In our many VirtualBox projects undertaken to date, we've always allocated the maximum video memory available through the VirtualBox graphical interface by right-clicking on the virtual machine, jumping from General Settings to Display, and moving the slider from its default position to the maximum 128 MB permissible. Whilst this represents the limits of what can be achieved through the VirtualBox interface, we can double this to 256 MB with a simple entry in the Windows command prompt, bringing about a noticeable improvement to the responsiveness of our virtual machines. And this is particularly welcome in the case of our virtual Macs, alleviating some of the lag experienced in most installations. We click the Start menu, typing CMD to search for our command prompt options, and choosing to run as administrator. With command prompt now running, we need to change focus to the path of our VirtualBox installation to ensure that the command which follows is applied in the correct directory. We therefore type cd, then open quotation marks, and enter the pathway to our VirtualBox directory before closing the quotation marks. If you've accepted the default installation path for VirtualBox, the full command will appear on screen now, and as always will be reproduced in the written description accompanying this video. If, like us, you've installed VirtualBox to a custom path, you'll need to amend the value between quotation marks to reflect that custom path. On pressing enter, the prompt will change to indicate that the subsequent command will be applied in the VirtualBox directory. We now enter the second and final command shown on screen now, which increases the V.R.A.M allocation to 256 MB, doubling the maximum available from the main interface. In this instance, note that our virtual machine was named Catalina, and you'll need to amend this value to the name of your virtual machine. With the command now executed, we can close the command prompt. Using VirtualBox, we can verify that the extended memory settings have been applied at the System Information dialog and in the display settings. We can now rerun our virtual machine with additional video memory available. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing by clicking the logo on screen now. If you'd like to see more, there are 2 suggestions currently on screen. If you have a better, faster or more economical solution, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. You're also welcome to follow us on Twitter. Until your next tech fix, goodbye.